we got the 2 as 4 and 2. Yeah. So now that 4 and 2 you'll be writing in place of 6x. X square will be as it is down, but in place of 6x you'll be writing 4, and because here the variable is x, you'll be writing x. Again you'll be writing 2, and again the variable is x, so you'll write x. So 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6, right? 4x plus 2x is nothing but 6x. So in place of 6x, we can write 4x plus 2x. And here I'll be writing 8 as it is. Only I'm changing 6x from the, the earlier equation. This is equal to 0. Fine. Now, next step is to take commons. Make 2 pairs, this and this. Now let's take something common from first pair. What is common between them? X. 1 is definitely there. And even x is common. Yeah. X. So what will be left here? If I take x common from both of them, 1x is left from this. Here there's 2x, right? It's x square. So 1x is left inside. And from this, what is left? I took x outside. So what is left?
4.
Only 4 is left. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Now from this 2, what should I take common? What is common between them?
2.
2. Yeah, that's correct. Now what is left inside? X.
X
And from this, I took 2 outside. So take in multiplication. Divide 8 with 2. You'll get the number here.
4.
Yeah, that's correct. And now you have to make sure that, the two brackets which you are getting here now, it should be same. If you are not getting same bracket, here we got x plus 4, x plus 4. If you are not getting that same, that means you have done some mistake. Okay, because it's quadratic, you cannot get 3 brackets. You can only get 2 brackets. Same. So here, our first bracket is this x plus 4. So that I'll write as it is. And my second bracket will be this term, which is outside, which I took common, and this term. Can you see this, Emily? This term and this term. And I'll make a bracket out of it. X plus 2. So that's my equation. Now I can stop here, but sometimes they ask you find the value of x. So in those sums, see, if two numbers are getting multiplied and the answer is 0, that means one might be 0. One of the numbers might be 0, because only if you multiply a number with 0 you get answer 0. That okay, 3 multiplied by 1 can never be equal to 0, right? It's not possible.
Yeah.
Only 3 times 0 will make the number 0. So in multiplication, one number has to be 0 to give your answer 0. Otherwise, if you multiply two numbers, you'll never get it 0. So that is the concept, but we don't know which number is 0. So what we take, either x plus 4 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. Anyone can be 0. Okay. So now I got my small equation. So if I'll take 4 on that end, what will happen? I'll get x is equal to 4 is positive on this side. When I'll be shifting it on this side, that side, it will be minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, so here I got x is equal to minus 4. Similarly here, when I'll shift 2 on that end, I'll be getting minus 2. So my two answers of x are x can be minus 4 or x can be minus 2. These two are the solution of this quadratic equation. Is it clear?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, I'll do one more sum for you. And after that, I'll give you one to do. Like completely on your own. Fine. Chalo. Our second sum is a square plus 5a plus 6. Again, I'll be comparing it with my standard equation. So my a is equal to 1, my b is equal to 5, and my c is equal to 6. So if I go with my standard, I'll be writing c here and I'll be writing B down. I need to get C by multiplying the two numbers and B by adding the two numbers. Okay, so my C is 6 and my B is 5. So can you give me two numbers which I'll multiply will give me 6, and when I'll add them I'll be getting 5.
3 and 2.
Yeah, that's correct. So okay, so my answer is 3 and 2. That's correct. So here in a square I'll be writing as it is a square. In place of 5a I'll be writing plus 3a and plus 2a, and 6 will be as it is. Now let's take common. Between this two term, what is common? A is common, right? What is left inside? Your
A
1a is left and your plus?
3.
Yeah, that's correct. And from this 2, I'll be taking 2 common. What is left? A plus 3. So I'm getting same bracket, so that means like it's correct. So my first bracket is a plus 3 and my second bracket is a plus 2. Okay, if I'll take this equation as equal to 0, so I'm getting this 0. Okay, so your a plus 3 can be 0 or a plus 2 can be 0. So that gives me a is equal to minus 3 or a is equal to minus 2. Okay, your chance. Okay, for you, I'm gonna be giving big numbers. Just okay, it's like we are learning. So if you have any doubt, like you can ask. So my question is a square minus 3a minus 40. So your a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is minus 40. So you need to get two numbers which when you'll multiply will give you minus 40, and when you add them they'll be giving you minus 3. Yeah. It's easy. Just think of two numbers which when you'll multiply will give you 40. Okay, in which numbers table you get 40?
2 and 20.
Yeah, 2, but like 20 and 2 can never give you minus 3. Like no way. Go on next table. 3. No, 3 won't go, right?
No.
No. 4 table, 4 and 10. So 4 and 10 even after subtraction won't give you 3. No way. Next, 5 table.
5 and 8.
Yeah. And what is the difference between 5 and 8? 8 minus 5.
Minus 3. Wait, no, 3.
Yeah. Yeah. So 8 and 5 are the only numbers which will give you. Yeah. 8 and 5. But now just see how. You have, when you multiply, you need minus 40. So, you know, when you multiply minus with minus, you get answer plus. So, both of them cannot be minus. Only you can write one of them minus. And as your answer after addition is minus, your bigger number has to be minus. After COVID, na? Like during COVID, so like you couldn't even go to classes. This online thing took, the boom because of COVID only. Like even I like started taking online after COVID only. Like during COVID basically.
I didn't know that there was like online tuition classes, so we
Oh,
didn't.
oh, okay, okay. So you managed on your own like for 2 years?
Yeah. But
Okay,
then we found out about online classes and we decided like because I'm going to do my GCSEs next year, so I should start like taking
okay,
lessons.
okay, yeah, sure. It will be a square minus 8a You need to write this variable, huh? You cannot skip that. Minus 8a and plus 5a. Yeah, now take common.
Would it be A and then bracket A and
A bracket a.
minus A?
Yeah. Then in this
And
thing, what you'll take common? You can take 5 common, right? Because 40 is divisible by 5. So you can take 5 out of it. So you can take plus 5 common. So what will be left inside? A, and just divide 40 with 5 because you took it out in multiplication, right? So just divide it.
minus 8?
Yeah, minus 8. So you need to get these two brackets exactly same. Huh? If this is a minus 8, this has to be a minus 8. If you are not getting that, then recheck. Go back and see what you have done wrong. Okay, now your two brackets are. Hmm.
So then A equals
Yeah.
minus 8?
No, you're giving me final answer like value of 8. No. See, you'll be writing a minus 8, either a minus 8 is equal to 0 or a plus 5 is equal to 0, right? So when you'll shift minus 8 on that end, what will happen? Negative will become positive, right?
Yeah.
So you'll be getting 8, a equals 8. And here it will be a is equal to minus 5.